Have you ever paused to truly consider whether that egg you enjoy each morning is genuinely fueling your health? Or if, without realizing it, it might be working against you? For most of us, eggs have been celebrated since childhood as one of nature's most complete foods. In many respects, that reputation is well earned. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, and a broad spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals. Yet there's a key detail that often gets missed. What you eat alongside your eggs can significantly influence how your body processes them, and how much benefit you actually gain. You may believe you're making wise choices, cutting back on sugar, keeping cholesterol in check, and focusing on brain and bone health. But what if some of your go-to combinations are quietly sabotaging your progress? Certain food pairings can block your body's ability to absorb vital nutrients from eggs. Worse still, they might spark inflammation, sap your energy, or raise your long-term risk of chronic illness. That's why today's topic matters. I'll guide you through 3 common egg pairings that could be doing more harm than good. Better yet, I'll share 3 powerful combinations that nourish your heart, strengthen bones, aid digestion, and boost vision. Stick with me, because I'll also explain the best ways to cook eggs to preserve their nutrition and avoid hidden pitfalls. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear where you're tuning in from. Drop a comment below. I always enjoy seeing where our global community is joining from. And if you find these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people with life-changing health advice. Let's start with a classic misstep: eggs and white bread. For decades, eggs paired with a slice of white toast have been a breakfast staple in countless homes. Whether it's scrambled eggs with buttered toast or a fried egg on bread, it feels cozy and satisfying. But here's the truth. This combo might be setting you up for a mid-morning energy crash, joint stiffness, or that frustrating brain fog you can't explain. Eggs themselves are nutrient powerhouses, packed with protein, antioxidants like lutein, and choline to support brain health. The problem lies in the white bread. Made from refined flour, white bread is stripped of most fiber, vitamins, and minerals, leaving behind fast-digesting carbs. These spike your blood sugar quickly, offering a short energy boost that crashes just as fast, leaving you drained, irritable, and craving more sugar. For those over 50 or 60, these blood sugar swings are even riskier. Constant highs and lows strain your metabolism, encourage insulin resistance, and set the stage for type 2 diabetes. On top of that, unstable blood sugar fuels chronic inflammation, a hidden culprit behind joint pain, heart disease, cognitive decline, and even some cancers. That innocent-looking toast might be feeding the very issues you want to avoid. But there's a simple fix. Swap white bread for whole grain or sprouted grain bread. These options are fiber-rich, digest more slowly, and help keep blood sugar steady, giving you lasting energy all morning. Another great choice? Skip bread entirely and pair your eggs with nutrient-dense sides like roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed spinach, or creamy avocado. These swaps not only boost flavor but also pack in antioxidants, fiber, and key minerals to support long-term wellness. Small changes like this can make a big difference, and your future self will thank you. If you're ready to take charge of your mornings and unlock the full power of your favorite breakfast food, keep reading. We're just getting started. Next up, eggs and soy. At first glance, eggs paired with soy-based foods seem like a smart, high-protein combo. After all, both are praised for their nutritional value. Many health-conscious folks turn to tofu, soy milk, or soy protein shakes, feeling it's natural to combine them with eggs at breakfast or post-workout. But here's what most don't realize. Soy can actually block your body from fully absorbing the protein in eggs. To digest and use protein properly, your body relies on enzymes that break it into amino acids, which fuel your muscles, brain, and immune system. Eggs are considered a perfect protein because they contain all essential amino acids in ideal balance. But soy contains natural compounds called trypsin inhibitors, which block those key enzymes. So when you eat eggs and soy together, your body might struggle to access all the nutrients from your eggs. And that's not all. Egg whites have a protein called avidin that binds tightly to biotin, a crucial B vitamin that supports energy, healthy skin, strong nails, and shiny hair. Eating soy at the same time, especially with undercooked eggs, makes it even harder for your body to absorb biotin. As we age, soy also gets tougher to digest, causing bloating, gas, and discomfort. Pairing it with rich foods like eggs can leave you feeling heavy and sluggish. The smarter strategy? Keep your soy and egg meals separate. Save tofu dishes for lunch or dinner, where they can shine solo. In the morning, reach for plant-based milks like almond, oat, or coconut instead of soy milk with your eggs. This way, you enjoy the benefits of both foods without them blocking each other. Your body will thank you. Finally, let's talk about eggs and tea. This one might surprise you. Tea, especially black or green, contains tannins, natural compounds that can bind to iron and other minerals in eggs, making them harder for your body to absorb. Iron is crucial for energy, focus, and oxygen delivery, and it's especially vital for older adults. Having tea right after or with your eggs can reduce how much iron your body absorbs. But good news, you don't have to give up your favorite drink. Just try to enjoy tea at least 30 to 60 minutes before or after your meal instead of during. To sum it all up, eggs can absolutely be a superfood when paired and prepared the right way. Avoiding unhelpful combos and making simple swaps can transform your energy, digestion, heart health, and mental clarity. With just a few tweaks to your plate, you give your body the tools it needs to thrive. For many, the comforting ritual of eggs and tea feels like the perfect way to start the day. But while protein strengthens you and tea soothes you, there's a hidden downside you should be aware of. Tannins in tea can block nutrient absorption, limiting the benefits of the iron, calcium, and protein in your eggs. Iron keeps your brain sharp and your energy steady. Calcium is key for strong bones, muscles, and a healthy heart. When tannins bind with these minerals, absorption drops, and tannins can even interfere with protein digestion. If you've ever felt bloated or sluggish after breakfast and couldn't figure out why, tea with eggs might be the culprit, especially as digestion slows with age. Thankfully, it's an easy fix. Just avoid drinking tea at the same time as your eggs. Instead, enjoy your tea about 30 to 60 minutes before or after eating. This gives your body the best chance to absorb all the valuable nutrients from your meal. If you still crave something warm with breakfast, try herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos. These are soothing for your stomach and won't interfere with digestion or nutrient uptake. Another excellent alternative is a small glass of orange juice. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, orange juice can actually enhance your body's absorption of iron, making your breakfast even more nourishing. Now let's talk about a surprisingly powerful combo, eggs and pumpkin. At first glance, this pairing might seem unusual, but together they create a nutritional powerhouse that boosts energy, brain function, and long-term eye health, especially as you age. Pumpkin is loaded with beta-carotene, the vibrant orange pigment that your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is crucial for keeping your vision sharp. It helps your eyes adjust to changes in light, keeps them well lubricated, and lowers your risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Just one serving of pumpkin can provide more than twice your daily vitamin A requirement. Meanwhile, eggs bring additional eye-protecting nutrients to the table. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent antioxidants that accumulate in your retinas and act as natural filters, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and UV rays. Eating eggs and pumpkin together offers your eyes a level of protection few other food combinations can match. But the perks don't stop there. Pumpkin is also a great source of fiber and complex carbs, helping to sustain steady energy levels without spiking your blood sugar. Eggs, on the other hand, provide healthy fats and complete protein to fuel your muscles, support brain health, and stabilize your metabolism. Together, they make a deeply nourishing and satisfying meal, perfect for supporting your health as you age. Incorporating this combo is easy and delicious. Blend cooked pumpkin into a creamy soup and top it with a soft boiled egg for an elegant nutrient-packed dish. Or roast pumpkin cubes with a sprinkle of spices and serve them with fluffy scrambled eggs for a hearty, wholesome breakfast. It's a comforting way to start your day, nourishing you from the inside out. Next up, let's revisit a classic favorite, eggs and cheese. On their own, eggs are already a nutritional standout, providing high-quality protein, vitamin D, and choline, all essential for strong muscles, a healthy metabolism, and brain function. But when you add cheese, you unlock even more benefits. Eggs are rich in vitamin D, but they don't supply much calcium. That's where cheese comes in. Cheese is packed with calcium, the mineral crucial for strong bones, muscle function, and nerve signaling. And here's the key part. Your body needs vitamin D to absorb calcium effectively. By combining eggs and cheese, you're giving your body the perfect pairing to maintain bone health and density. This is especially important as we get older. Bone density naturally decreases with age, raising the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. If you've noticed subtle changes in posture or are concerned about balance and fall prevention, adding eggs and cheese to your meals could be a simple yet powerful way to support skeletal strength. There's more. Certain cheeses like Parmesan, Gouda, and Cheddar don't just offer calcium, they also contain probiotics that support a healthy gut. A balanced gut helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, strengthens your immune system, and may even help reduce chronic inflammation. And let's not forget the simple pleasure of taste. Eggs and cheese together aren't just nutritious, they're comforting, satisfying, and delicious. Whether you're whipping up a cheesy omelet, a soft scramble, or savory baked egg muffins, this combo hits the spot for both flavor and health. Just remember to cook your eggs over low heat and use a moderate amount of cheese. Adding vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms takes it up another notch, boosting the meal's fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. This isn't just comfort food, it's fuel for a stronger, healthier you. Lastly, let's look at a less obvious but powerful combo, eggs and apples. At first, pairing eggs with apples might seem odd. One's savory and hearty, the other is crisp and sweet. But this unlikely duo works wonders for improving digestion, strengthening the immune system, and providing sustained energy throughout the day. As we age, digestion tends to slow, and heavier meals can become harder to process. Eggs, although nutrient-rich, can sometimes feel too heavy on their own. That's where apples come in. Apples are packed with soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which helps food move smoothly through your digestive system and balances the digestion of protein and fats from the eggs. Instead of feeling sluggish or weighed down, you'll feel light, energized, and comfortably full. Apples also play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar. Pectin slows the absorption of sugar, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that leave you tired or craving sweets by mid-morning. Plus, apples are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune defenses and enhances your body's ability to absorb iron. Since eggs, especially the yolks, contain iron, pairing them with apples helps your body make the most of this vital mineral. This is particularly important for older adults, as low iron can lead to fatigue, weakness, and low stamina. You don't need fancy recipes to enjoy this powerful combo. Simply boil a couple of eggs and slice up a fresh apple for an easy, balanced breakfast or snack. Or for a creative twist, dice both ingredients and toss them into a spinach salad with a dollop of plain yogurt as a dressing. It's refreshing, easy on the stomach, and packed with nutrients. This combination is especially beneficial if you're dealing with sluggish digestion, low energy, or a reduced appetite, all common challenges as we age. Apples keep your digestive system moving, while eggs provide the essential protein your body needs for strength and mental clarity. Next up, number 7, the healthiest ways to cook eggs. You might think any preparation of eggs is healthy enough, but the way you cook them can significantly impact how much nutrition your body absorbs. As we grow older, making every bite count becomes crucial for maintaining strength, vitality, and overall well-being. Let's begin by busting a popular myth. Some believe raw eggs are healthier because they haven't been exposed to heat. In reality, raw eggs are harder to digest and can carry harmful bacteria like salmonella, a serious risk for older adults with more sensitive immune systems. Plus, raw egg whites contain avidin, a protein that blocks your body from absorbing biotin, a vital B vitamin that supports healthy skin, strong nails, and energy metabolism. Cooking your eggs not only makes them safer, but can also enhance their nutritional benefits. The best methods involve gentle heat. Soft-boiled eggs are a fantastic choice. Boil them for around 6 minutes to cook the whites while keeping the yolk soft and runny. This method preserves heat-sensitive nutrients like choline, which is key for brain and liver health, and lutein, a powerful antioxidant that supports your vision. Steaming is another excellent option. It keeps eggs tender and moist without exposing them to high temperatures that can break down essential nutrients like vitamin B12. Simply steam eggs in a basket over simmering water for 10 to 12 minutes for perfect results. No added oils required. Poached eggs are also a smart pick. Gently slipping an egg into simmering water and cooking it for a few minutes keeps it light, easy to digest, and nutrient-rich, ideal for a heart-healthy diet. And if you're a fan of scrambled eggs, don't worry, that's still a great choice. Just make sure to cook them slowly over low heat. High temperatures can make eggs rubbery and reduce their nutritional value. Adding a splash of water or milk when whisking helps keep them soft, creamy, and easy to digest. If you prefer fried eggs, pay attention to the type of oil you use. Avoid heavily processed vegetable oils or margarine, as they can produce harmful compounds when heated. Instead, reach for heart-healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These fats remain stable at cooking temperatures and help support both heart and brain function. So the next time you crack an egg, don't just focus on what you're making. Think about how you're making it. Small tweaks to your cooking methods can unlock even more health benefits from this incredible food. To bring it all together, if you've read this far, you're now seeing eggs in a whole new way. Not just as a breakfast staple, but as a powerful partner in your journey toward better health, more energy, and vibrant aging. Today, we covered 3 common pairings to be cautious about. First, eggs with white bread, which can spike blood sugar and fuel inflammation. Second, eggs with soy, which can interfere with protein absorption. And third, eggs with tea, which may reduce your body's uptake of iron and calcium. We also explored 3 smart pairings to elevate your health. Eggs with pumpkin to protect your vision and boost energy. Eggs with cheese to strengthen bones and aid muscle recovery. And eggs with apples to support digestion and enhance immune function. Plus, we highlighted an often overlooked but crucial point. How you cook your eggs matters. Gentle methods like steaming, poaching, or soft boiling preserve more nutrients, while avoiding high heat and unhealthy fats can make a real difference over time. These small shifts in your daily habits might seem minor, but over weeks and months, they can transform how you feel, move, and live. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes and give your body the nourishment and care it deserves. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which tip are you most excited to try first? Will you swap your bread, change how you cook your eggs, or rethink your morning tea? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm excited to cheer you on. And if you found these insights helpful, please give this post a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's passionate about health, and hit that subscribe button. Together, let's keep building a stronger, healthier, more energized life, one smart choice at a time. Thanks for reading. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.